So I had 7 different ideas for my next business project, and I couldn't choose between them until this song gave me the answer in a flash, and I want to share that with you next. Hi, I'm PeaceWithMaya, musician and life purpose coach, here to help you do work that feels true. So a few months ago, I felt it's time for me to get back into doing my music live streams, but I could not pick a title. I had like 7 different ideas and they all kind of made sense, but I just couldn't decide, because if you're multi-passionate and creative like me, it's very easy for us to come up with a bunch of ideas and then get overwhelmed about which one to follow through with. So after spinning my wheels for a bit, I decided to take a break and listen to some of my favorite songs to see if they could spark some inspiration for me. So a few songs in, this particular tune jumped out at me because although I had listened to it a bunch of times before and loved the groove and the beat of it, I never really paid attention to the lyrics until a few months ago. And it's by Prince. It's called Pop Life. And one of the struggles I had in coming up with the name was realizing I have very eclectic taste in music, and I love all kinds of genres, all kinds of styles. I am game to try any style at least once to see if it suits my voice and my personality. And when I listened to Pop Life, I realized, wait a minute. Although I love performing so many different genres and styles, almost all the songs in my repertoire were hits. They were popular. They were crossover hits or actual pop songs. So I'm like, okay, I'm comfortable using the word pop as like an umbrella term to categorize my repertoire. So once I had that hit, I was like, oh, now I know what I need to do next. So it wasn't the song per se. It was what the song was able to reflect back to me and what it was able to draw out of me, what my inner wisdom was trying to tell me. Speaking of inner wisdom, I do have a free guide that I created for you called 5 Signs You Might Be Ignoring Your Inner Wisdom. And if you're interested in checking that out, the link is in the video description below. So once I had that word pop, it was like the hook and the anchor point for the rest of the name. So from now on, I'm going to be calling my live streams Pop, Place, and Grace. Because I remember when I used to live stream very regularly, the live chatters who would show up really appreciated how I created a safe space for all of us to relax, unwind, be ourselves, and have a chance to swap our favorite stories about the songs that we love. And in sharing those stories, we were able to extend grace to each other and come away from those live streams feeling better about ourselves, about each other, and about this crazy thing called life, to quote another Prince lyric. So that's the power of music and the power of a good song. The other thing I've noticed over time for myself, as well as for my live stream chatters, is the songs that we love tend to reflect who or what we value. And so by putting on your favorite songs, it gets you that one step closer to remembering what's important to you, and it helps you make clearer decisions about your next business move. So if you're interested in checking out my cover version of the song Pop Life, I actually did a cover version after, it blessed me with this idea for my music live stream titles. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to cover the song. So you can check it out here. And if you want to listen to more of my covers on songs that can help you take that step closer to that business clarity and alignment, you can check out my playlist here as well. Thanks so much for watching. And once again, remember to check out that free guide, 5 Signs You Might Be Ignoring Your Inner Wisdom. The link is in the video description below. Till next time, remember to find some time in your day to find some peace in your world. Bye for now.